What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the Young and Intelligent Money Investing channel. Today, I want to talk about if there's going to be a crash coming in 2018 in the stock market and possibly Bitcoin market. But before we do that, I just want to thank you guys so much. We just hit 200 subscribers, and that's a pretty big milestone for me. I'm going to keep cranking out videos as much as I can lately. Sorry I missed the upload yesterday. I'm right in the heart of final season, so I'm going to be putting out videos whenever I can in the next couple weeks, but rest assured that I'm going to keep uploading on this channel, and thank you guys for the continued support. So, there's a couple reasons why I personally do not think why there's a market crash coming in 2018, but let's start out with the main reason that there might be. So, essentially, pretty much everybody is in agreement that stocks are pretty highly priced right now. They're almost record high PD price to earnings ratios. But I kind of think that's a little bit justified because of the tax reform plans. But let's save that for a little bit later. But basically, right now, I think the reason why you keep hearing that, oh, there's a big correction coming, oh, there might be a crash coming in 2018, is because that is kind of the easy take. Like the hard take is saying that things are going to keep going how they are. Like look at how this is going right here on SPY. Like there's been a ton of positive catalysts in the last year, up 19.8% last year. I don't expect it to keep rising at that rate. 20% a year is kind of insane, but I think we could do 8 to 9%, kind of no problem in 2018. But since that's the easy take, I think that's what all the analysts are saying. But I'm here to tell you guys that I think with these positive catalysts in the market, we could move to even higher record territory. First of all, one of the reasons why is the huge tax reform bill. This is going to allow big companies to make their profits so much higher than they are right now. I believe it's going from 45-ish% to 20-25% whenever it's finalized. So being able to raise profits by about 20 to 25% is just absolutely insane. That's going to put those PDE ratios right back where in a competitive area, and the market's going to likely continue to go up. Another fantastic thing that's been going on lately has been these job numbers. Like more and more people are employed, the economy's healthy, and when the economy's healthy, people are going to be like happy to spend their money. And when there's more money in circulation, that allows revenues and profits to rise, have more investments in infrastructure and everything like that. And the more money that's circulating, the better the economy is going to do, and the higher the S&P is going to rise. Now, I don't exactly believe that 2018 is going to be fantastic for all sectors of the market, even though a lot of things do trade together these days. Like there's potential for tech to take a down year. There's potential for high dividend stocks to take a down year. We don't really know, but I expect the market as a whole, if you're involved in an SPY or a VOO, an SPHD, a VYM, I expect those will have pretty good years, and I don't really think you guys are gonna want to panic over like the possibility of a 2018 crash, unless we start seeing catalysts for the market to go downhill. Like if these jobs numbers start getting bad, if revenues don't really rise after this tax reform bill passes, if the tax reform bill doesn't pass, like there's a lot of scenarios that could cause the market to have a down year in 2018. But as of now, with the catalysts I see, I don't really expect that to happen. There may be a slight correction, but it really depends on tax reform and all these other catalysts. Another thing that could make the market crash in 2018 would be a fear of tech, which could come from a possible Bitcoin crash. But we'd also need a big catalyst for that, and I think we might just be pretty early in the stages of Bitcoin running up pretty high. But I do believe that if you guys are trading with Bitcoin, there will likely be a crash at some point, and you guys should take your don't be afraid to take your profits. That's all I'll say on that. Just because once I really need to see a little bit of stability from Bitcoin because it's been going up like crazy. I really need to see stability from it before I can believe in it as an actual currency. I do believe there's potential for an online cryptocurrency to be a huge thing, but the problem is when a currency's value changes to a retailer, like overnight, and it might change in 10 minutes. That's the thing. Like Bitcoin fluctuates by thousands of dollars, and a retailer or an online retailer wants to know how much what is like the payment that they're taking in is going to be worth. If you take in $10 as a payment for something at a retail store, they know that $10 is going to hold value. If you take a payment of $10 in Bitcoin, it might be worth 15 tomorrow. What might be worth 5 tomorrow? Like you really have no idea. So that's really all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, thank you for 200 subs. Please leave a like and comment. Let me know what you guys think. All right, have a good one, guys.